everyone, so this is such a random video, but I literally was just, basically I'm planning a massive party and it's actually tomorrow that the party is. Excuse me, I've been literally sunbathing in the garden all day, I haven't even had a shower and I've been setting up, so I literally look, I mean, well, you can see I look a hot mess. And it's so freaking hot everywhere, I cannot cool down. So we're just setting up, me, Chereece and Holly, basically we're hosting a party for the girls, and I just thought, oh, I wish we could vlog it because we've got so many amazing things that we're doing that I would love to just look back on it. And so yeah, basically I've just decided to vlog, so I'll take you downstairs now. Basically what we're doing is, I don't want to get copyrighted with play music, so basically what we're doing is we're hosting a ISO beach party. It's called ISO beach, so it's like ocean beach in Ibiza, but I brought it to my house because obviously we can't go on holiday. And I'll show you all the decor, and then I'll show you, we've done like invites, we've got lanyards, we've got champagne, like we're bringing out champagne. Obviously Wayne Lineker is the owner of Ocean Beach, and we've got a mask, and Holly's going to wear a Wayne Lineker mask and bring that out. And we've got champagne with sparklers that we're bringing out. We're going to do a champagne spray. It's honestly just going to be so good, so I want to bring you along on it. So it's all go at the moment, it is all go. We've got cocktails on the go. Where's our cocktail gone?
In the fridge.
So, in the fridge we have just made a Sex on the Beach. We've got raspberry and strawberry jelly shots just cooking away. And we're just going to make some really cool like graze food platters with fruit and sweets. And then we're also going to do like a meat and olive and cheese one. I look so blue. So it's our party. We are the hostesses with the mostest. We've got glow sticks, we have got beach balls. These are the lanyards that we made. So basically, obviously you guys know I'm a graphic designer. I made a little invite and it says, the gold package includes cocktails on arrival, food in canapes, Prosecco flutes, hot tub, Ibiza DJ sets, 2 PM to 2 AM, dress code is pool party glam, £5 entry fee, bed packages available upon request, prestige worldwide events. And then everyone gets one of these on arrival. We have got little fans as well for everyone. And then outside, so we've obviously got my hot tub, but if you want to go in the hot tub, you have to take a shot. And we've got obviously all the lights around there. We've just put some lights in the tree, which hopefully the solar will load, like charge up tomorrow, and then they'll light up in the dark. We've got a pool. If you want to go in the pool, that is 1 shot. We've got the chairs actually down the end here. I don't think anyone will be coming down the end of my garden, but if they want to sit there, that's 2 shots. If they want to sit on this seat, that is 3 shots, 2 shots and 2 shots. And then you come back down here. This bit is the pièce de la résistance. So we've got the bunting. We've done this bunting and it goes all the way across. We've got lights. Oh look, the lights have actually come on the tree already. We've got these little lights that are all going along there. We've got lights that actually are going along the bunting as well, but they've not loaded. I say loaded, they're not like charged up. Obviously we've got the shots. Again, if you want to sit down, you've got to take a shot. And then we've made this like backdrop for pictures. We had to hand make it. Thought it was going to come already made, but it didn't. The balloon, I actually used to, basically, fun fact, my mum actually used to own a like a fancy dress and balloon decor, so we used to do balloons for like weddings and parties and all sorts. So she obviously got trained up on how to do balloon art, and she taught me, so I obviously knew how to do the balloon art. So I'm very multi-talented, can do anything. So yeah, and then this is obviously going to be all the dance floor. Yes, this will be all the dance floor. I need to just wash it. I'm so brown. But yeah, we're just currently making making the sweets. So this is the kind of vibe that we're going to go for. And there's fruit. Very cute, and then fruit over there. So it is now 10 to 11. No, it's not. It's 25 past 10. I can't tell the time. So everything is done. Everything is complete. We have done as much as we can to prep. Yeah, and it's just the big day tomorrow. I need to find my outfit still. I think I'm just gonna go like wedges, bikini, sarong, and maybe like a head scarf. Mermaid hair, glam makeup. Hopefully it's not too hot and I don't sweat it off. But yeah, I need to get an early nap. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for the big day. I look like a homeless person. I'm gonna say I've just had a shower, but I'm gonna save washing my hair until tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning. It's the big day. I'm so excited. No. We're 2 balloons down. An orange one has just popped and a yellow one must have popped last night. Damn it. This has all gone a little bit skew-iff. So we have had to take the balloons down because they just keep popping, but I've just spent about 20 minutes washing the entire patio, so we're not allowed to go out there now until it's dry. We've had to put the balloons down here because they just keep popping. I'm so excited. So excited, I'm ready to party. Can't see me, right? I'm gonna have a shower, get ready. I'm gonna get ready early just so I'm done and like ready. And then yeah, I'll show you my outfit and then I'll also show you as everyone's arriving and then everything that we get up to, but I'm so excited. So excited. Whew. Okay, I'm ready. I just need to put my shoes on, my lipstick. We've got the table we need to set up for the game, but first things first, we're gonna get ourselves a drink. Here's my 2 musketeers. This is Prestige Worldwide event. Prestige Worldwide. Oh, you can't see us. Prestige Worldwide. Come on, girls. Vodka jelly. Because we are the creators, so we get more. Creators. I don't get how we do these. You can't really do them on camera because you have to like. Oh. I don't have the all.
That's all. We got that guy clean.
That's what I did. I went.
It's like them TikToks with
Chereece's
story of her life.
It's so hot. We're sweating. Our thing's back up, but it keeps popping. All our nibbles, jelly shots, drinks on arrival. TikTok song.
Not to see them, and instead I pour the milk.
Right, our first guests have arrived. Right, go Chereece. Welcome, ladies.
Outside.
Oh, Pablo.
Oh my God, go down to Amy.
Hello. Is that everyone?
Yeah.
Right, and that is everyone. We're in. Let the party begin, baby. Woo! Shining in the ecstasy. Shining in the ecstasy. our backdrop. I don't know what happened to that. All the balloons are gone now. Every balloon. Got someone who has just opted for 2 shots. Come on then, Kate. She sat down. That means one thing only. She's got to shot it. Thank you, Kate. And we've got 2 more buyers over here in the back. Buyers back in the package. This is the 2-shot package, so you can do one and then you can do another.
Sorry, ladies. Payment's not been paid in full yet. Thank you.
There we go. If you could just shot those for us. Perfect. Thank you, ladies.
That's how we do it at ISO Beach.
Yeah, that's how we do it. Come to ISO Beach for all your Ibiza Beach Club feels. Oi, 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 oi! I'm feeling you because your hat. Temperature rising because your hat is fuck hot. I'm telling you that. The temperature is rising. I'm feeling you because your hat. Yeah, just keep twisting. Keep twisting. What? Keep twisting. Twist the bottle the other way. Woo!
That was so cool. What's that song that we always sing on TikTok?
Are you trying to get this on camera?
Yeah.
Smashed it!
Unless I tried, unless I wanted to.
My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm.
I couldn't, wait, what was it? Even if I
Tried, even if I wanted to.
And I can't
change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to.
And I can't.
My patio's so damp after we've washed.
I know, we had one job.
What's that?
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. I didn't know it was breakdancing. Fucking hell. Thank you. We're going to play our first game. Shoes are off. You have to run down the street, flip the cup, and then run back.
That's it, go.
No, wait, I wasn't ready.
No, we don't need drinks.
I've gone to Irene.
Is it best of 3 or best of 1?
Just one.
Right, I'm going to go with number 4. Yeah, bitch! Right, you're going.
You're going with number 2.
Number 1.
Number 4.
No, I've done number 3.
Number, wait.
That was me, bitch.
Wait, what number are you?
Just say another number. Not one. Just keep going.
4. 3.
Ooh! Number 2. Okay, number 5. Okay,
treated like a show that you look at.
I'm with my hoes.
I'm reaching for your shirt.
The headband has come off, the extensions have come up. I look like a hot mess. So basically we've made a new rule. If you want to make a request of a song, you've got to go down to the table at the end and flip a cup. But Kate can't do it and she really wants
But I did.
She really wants a song on and she just can't do it.
I did though.
Yeah, Beth managed to do it. Yay! Come on, Kate! Come on, Kate! changed my camera battery. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for this video, but I couldn't care because I just want the memories with my friends. Habbo's eating his dinner. Yum 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 yum. Uh-oh, totally crazy. Uh-oh. My best friends, everybody. My best friends. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, what just... That's disgusting. What just happened? You snorted.
Oh, hello, vlog squad. Hello, your job.
We're doing the fish pose. I'm on the fish. Like laying down, posing my fish.
Act like you're laying down. I was going to tag them in a post. It's like, I've never seen a girl say, oh my god, I want to fuck that man after he holds a fucking fish.
The biggest turn off ever is when someone's holding a fish. Ocean Beach. Take a look at my cord. Take a look at my cord.
Take a look at my service.
And oh no, you go like this.
Hey!
You gotta get this, ready? Hey. Wait. We go. Down too far.
Gym 10 logic.
Oh my god, you look so.
My lover's got no money, he's got his troubles. My lover's got no friends, he's got his troubles. That's what mama and tell me love.
Oh my golly god. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry. I'm gonna end the video here because we are all just, I think I'm actually getting my hangover today. Not even joking. We're gonna start to tidy up now just before everyone goes, so I'm not tidying up on my own. But I really hope that you enjoyed this little video of everybody bringing Ibiza to my town. Essex. But yeah, I'll see you all very soon for another video. I love you all so much. Bye. Is everyone ready, yeah? I'm ready for whatever you I love this.